Dear students, in the last class we studied about friction. Now tell me, what is friction? Do you remember that? Don't worry, I am telling you. Friction occurs between two surfaces. It opposes the motion of one object over another object in contact with it. Sneha, can you tell me in which direction friction occurs?
In opposite direction.
Good. Friction always occur, either you can say act in opposite direction applied force. Okay. So let's do experiment on friction. I have inclined plane and this is a smooth surface. So here is a roller. I am going to roll it. Now you look it. I am leaving this. It moves very fast. Now I use a paper cloth because I need a rough surface. Now look very carefully. What gonna happen? I am leaving this. It is stopped. Do you know why it is stopped? आपको पता है कि ये क्यों रुक गया? क्यों रुक गया? हाँ, because this is rough surface. In the previous experiment, we can see कि ये बहुत स्पीड से गया था. स्पीड गया था ना? लेकिन जब हमने यहाँ पे रफ सरफेस रखा तो ये इसका स्पीड कम हो गया. Because there is irregularities between the surfaces. Irregularities interlock the surface of object. Sneha and Sadhana, please come and try to separate these books. Please. Okay. Go and sit. Now students, as you can see, it is removed very easily because it is less interlocking. So less interlocking means less friction occur. Now I am again interlocking these books. Praveen and Lucky, please come and try to separate it. Pull. Go. You can't. You can't able to separate these because, dear students, here in this experiment interlocking is more. If interlocking is more, it means friction is more. If interlocking is less, then friction is less. In the previous experiment we saw interlocking is less, so you can easily remove it. But in this experiment you are not able to remove it because here interlocking is more. If interlocking is more, then friction is more.